Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the photo, and then select another photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the photo, then change the background, select the color option, adjust the color, select the text option, edit by rating, select the size, select the stroke button, adjust the color, select the texture option, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, copy the letters to the copy option, save the letters to the save option, adjust save confirmation. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.